This program is a simple simulation of a multi-level marketing or MLM network using the concept of a binary tree in C language. The idea is that each member in the network can recruit a maximum of 2 downlines, similar to how a binary tree works with a left child and a right child. Once a member successfully gains both a left and right downline, the program automatically gives them a commission of 500 pesos. To make this structure possible, the program begins by defining a member structure. This structure stores the member's name, the commission they earned, and 2 pointers called left and right, which represent their 2 possible downlines. With these pointers, each member becomes a node in the binary tree, allowing the program to build an entire MLM hierarchy. To create new members, the program uses the function createMember. This function first allocates memory for a new member using the malloc function. It then copies the member's name into the structure, initializes their commission to 0, and sets both their left and right pointers to null, indicating that no downlines exist yet. This ensures each member starts with a clean structure. Another important part of the program is search function. The search function allows the program to locate any member in the entire MLM network by name. It works recursively, checking if the current node matches the target name, and if not, it searches the left and then the right subtree. This recursive approach makes it possible to find any member regardless of how deep they are placed within the network. Once searching is possible, the program includes the add downline function, which handles adding new members under a specific parent. This function first searches for the parent. If the parent does not exist, it displays an error message. If the parent already has 2 downlines, it also stops the process because MLM rules in this program only allow 2 downlines per member. If the parent is valid and has space, the program creates a new member and assigns them either to the left child position if it is empty, or to the right position if the left is already occupied. After successfully adding the child, the program checks whether both downlines are now filled. If they are, the commission for the parent is set to 500 pesos as a reward for completing their pair. This part demonstrates how simple business logic can be embedded into a data structure. The program also includes a function called Show Downlines. This function displays useful information about a specific member, including their name, their left and right downlines, and their commission. If a member does not have downline, the program prints none for that position. This function helps users easily monitor any member within the network. Another important feature is the display tree function. This function usually prints the entire MLM network as a sideways tree. It prints the right subtree first, then the current member, and then the left subtree. The deeper a member is in the hierarchy, the more independent they appear. This gives a clear and structured view of the entire MLM organization. The main function ties everything together. It starts by asking the user to enter the name of the root member, the very first member in the MLM tree. After creating the root, the program displays a menu with 4 choices: adding a downline, showing a member's information, displaying the whole network tree, and exiting the program. The menu repeats until the user decides to exit. Through this menu-driven interface, users can grow the network, view members, and see commissions update automatically. Overall, this program is a good demonstration of how binary trees can be used to represent real-world systems like MLM structures. It shows how data structures, recursion, dynamic, memory allocation, and business rules can work together to form a functional and organized program.